order to show that the product rule works using the limit definition of the derivative, we're going to have to use a special trick. So let's start off by writing our definition. Just so that we can use the definition, I'm going to use a different definition of the derivative. I'm going to use the limit as b goes to x of f of g, or f times g of b minus f times g of x over b minus x. And I can rewrite that as the limit as b goes to x of f of b, g of b, minus f of x, g of x, over b minus x. And what I want to do, which is a little bit weird, is I'm going to add and subtract f of x, g of b, from the numerator. In fact, actually, I'll probably, we'll do that. We'll do f of b, g of x from the numerator. So, and I'll put it in a very special place. I'm going to stick it right in the middle. So we're going to have f of b, g of b. I'll start by subtracting it. We'll do minus f of b, g of x. Now we'll add it back in, plus f of b, g of x, minus, and then f of x, g of x. All of that over b minus x. And what you'll notice is that I can kind of break this up into two pieces, and in each of those pieces I can do a little bit of factoring. So this is going to be the limit as b approaches x of f of b times g of b minus g of x plus, here we can factor out a g of x, f of b minus f of x, all over b minus x. Let's go ahead and split that up into a few pieces. I'm going to do a few steps at once here. I'm going to split this up into two, and I'm also going to kind of just write f of b outside of the fraction. That might make it a little bit more clear what's going on. So we're going to have the limit of, well, first we'll have f of b times g of b minus g of x over b minus x plus the limit as b approaches x of, we'll have g of x times f of b minus f of x over b minus x. And let's think about this. Well, this is a derivative. That's the derivative. That's the derivative. That's nice. G of x is just g of x, and f of b is going towards f of x because b is going to x. That technically is a result of continuity, but that's kind of fun. So what we can do is we can rewrite this as this is just f of x times the derivative of g plus g of x times the derivative of f. And usually I'll flip the order just to help me remember, especially when I'm doing the quotient rule, which one to take the derivative of first. But it doesn't really matter. Addition, you can change the order and no one cares. But that is exactly what we have from the product rule. So we saw that by adding and subtracting this thing to our limit, we are able to kind of use the limit definition to go ahead and prove the product rule.